Hi, Patrick Vocabulary here. This video is actually a response from a comment regarding about Kinaray-a, Hiligaynon and Ilonggo. So let's start from the very basic. Like I said in my previous video, each language has its own set of vocabularies. Like when you say English, there's a set of vocabularies. When you say French, there's a set of vocabularies for French. When you say German, there's a set of vocabularies for German. This is also applied in our language, which is Hiligaynon and Kinaray-a. Hiligaynon has a different vocabularies compared to Kinaray-a. The best example for that is Roman. When you say Roman in Kinaray-a, in Hiligaynon, it's buwas. Igma, meaning kung sa Hiligaynon is kaon, so lain gid ya ang ilang distinction. And when he is speaking Kinaray-a and I'm speaking Hiligaynon, I cannot understand Kinaray-a. So that's the difference. That is why it's called language. Hiligaynon language and Kinaray-a language. A dialect, from according to the Webster Dictionary, that is a dialect is defined as a variant of a language divergent enough to be unique from the mother tongue, but mutually intelligible at around 95% to still be considered part of the mother language. Alright. Ambot sing ganon sina, ang mother tongue ta is Hiligaynon, divergent enough to be unique but 95% mutually intelligible. Meaning sina nga like sa mga taga Iloilo, like I said, may terminology sila nga ginagamit nga wala namon ginagamit. But 95% I can understand kung anong ila ginahambal, which is also a Hiligaynon. Pero may mga terminology sila, may tono sila nga lain. So ang Ilonggo nga dialect is different from Negrense, but we both speak Hiligaynon, which is mother tongue. So amo na siyang ginatawag nga dialekto or dialect. Ang Kinaray-a naman, like I said, it's another language. If Hiligaynon and Kinaray-a, if we speak to each other and I don't understand them, that is a language. While in Hiligaynon of Iloilo and Hiligaynon of Negrense or Hiligaynon of Capiz or Hiligaynon of Cotabato, we both understand, even though may mga tono, may mga term kami nga kisang ginagamit, at least 95% that we understand each other. But if hindi na gani kami na mag-intindihanay, if we don't understand with each other, that is another language. Now, Ilonggo or people from Iloilo speak two languages, which is Kinaray-a or Karay-a and Hiligaynon. Same with us in Negros, we speak two languages. If you're in the occidental part, we speak Hiligaynon. But if you're in the oriental part, they speak Bisaya or Cebuano. So another example for a dialect, Cebu and Negros, they speak Bisaya, but they have different dialect because Negros Oriental and Cebu and other Bisaya speaking language, they had also terminology, they also have tono that is divergent lain sa piyak, but they both understand because it's Bisaya. But if you're going to separate each other, it's called dialect. I hope it's all clear and you are able to understand what is a language, dialect, and a difference between Kinaray-a, Ilonggo, and Hiligaynon. The reason that I am correcting it, because if you're going to address me again in Ilonggo, but I am in Negrense, I will lose my identity as a Negrense. You're pertaining to me as an Ilonggo. Being in Negrense, if you're pertaining to me as an Ilonggo, I'm losing my identity, my culture, my tradition. You're taking that out from me. That's why if someone is asking me if I speak Ilonggo, I always correct him that I speak Hiligaynon. Our language is Hiligaynon. I hope it's clear to everyone about our language and the difference between Ilonggo, Karay-a and Hiligaynon. So if you have questions or comments, you just comment in my YouTube channel and I will try to answer it. Alright? Thank you and God bless.